Sir, good morning. You have a warrant from
Good morning,
Georgia.
ma'am.
It says for fraud, a charge of fraud. You can waive extradition, agree to be sent back to the state of Georgia within 15 days. If they don't come pick you up, you'll be released. You can also contest extradition and fight going back. If you contest extradition, you can be held in our jails for up to 90 days. What would you like to do?
There's no way I can get a bond, ma'am? I'm just
Unless
asking.
the only thing you can do is have a lawyer contact the judge in Georgia to see if there's a way to schedule one. It's a fraud charge.
Okay, so can and will I be able to do that?
You can call a
Or
lawyer.
no?
Call whoever you want from the jail.
Okay, because I have a lawyer in Georgia. That's what I'm
Yeah,
saying.
call your
I have
lawyer
a
there.
lawyer.
If they go in front of the judge there and agree to a bond and it's posted, they'll notify the officials here and they'll release you. Is that correct? He was picked up at the cruise. What were you on, the Breeze?
Yes.
Yeah, me too. Isn't that cool? Or you had a nice cruise? I'm glad to be
Yes,
back to
ma'am.
work. I had to watch 4 kids. And a
You was on a
husband.
cruise this weekend that just passed?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, you didn't see me dancing? I was the one
You were
dancing all the
dancing. I was
time.
sitting upstairs in the shade. It was a fun time, huh?
Yes,
You
but
were
this
in
is
that? You
this is
weren't in that
crazy.
contest by the pool, now were you? Nah, I didn't see you.
Yeah,
Yeah, you were.
I definitely was.
All right. I'm sorry you have to go through this, sir. The best thing I can suggest to you, I see that you live in Georgia. We get this all the time with these people from the cruise ships. I'm not permitted to set a bond. Can you contact them?
Absolutely. I'll contact him when I get back. I just want him to have, it's something that was issued as of February, Your Honor.
It's from February.
Yeah. That's what I don't understand, because ma'am, I had a case in Georgia where I was released on the 3rd. So the day before my birthday, and then they have a warrant for me from the 9th. I've been in Georgia ever since. And I haven't heard nothing about this
They
warrant.
sometimes it happens that way. You want me to set a little sooner to see if there's a way to get him
Your Honor,
released?
I'll notify Georgia when I get back to the office and let them know, but for now, I want him to,
I mean, if he wanted to flee, he could have fled in, what was it, St. Martin, St.
Yeah,
Kitts,
you feel me?
Puerto
I don't want to.
Rico,
I don't
but
want
he
to run
came
away.
back.
Did Mr. Glenn say he has counsel in Georgia also?
He says he has a lawyer in Georgia. So what
I
I would
don't
suggest.
want the time to pass and him not have something, so if he wants to waive or contest, we'll
Yeah,
find
you
that
want
out
to waive and go
now.
back, right?
And then as soon as I get to the office, I'll contact Georgia.
Can I just interject?
So what is that?
Mr. Glenn, everybody's
mean?
trying to help you here. Just listen to me.
All right.
What's in
All
your,
right, no
what's in
problem.
your best, I'm from the Public Defender's Office. We haven't been formally appointed to represent you. But since you told Her Honor that you have an attorney in Georgia, what would be in your best interest to contact your attorney in Georgia, let him know your situation here, and see if he can work on convincing the authorities in Georgia to allow a bond to be set for you here, or for you to be
Okay.
released.
All right.
So you're gonna waive?
So
If you waive,
I don't-
it starts the time clicking. So if you waive, it's probably in your best interest, but it's up to you.
if I don't waive, I have to wait for the 15 days.
No, you have to wait 90 days.
Oh yeah. I'm waiting. Well, I waive it.
Can I set this a little sooner, see if there's a way if they're gonna come get him or not?
Your Honor, we'll set the 15 days, and if something happens where I need to put it sooner, I'll just reset it with you.
All right.
Cause ma'am, I'm sorry, but I was on a cruise with my family, and my grandmother, she's on oxygen. My mom goes back to work. I'm the one that watches my grandmother. So I'm just trying to get out of here as fast as possible.
They're not gonna come. Can I set it Friday? That's a report. Yeah, report. I'll set it for report on Friday. So what's that? 31st. July 31st. All right. Good luck to
Mr.
you,
Glenn,
sir.
if you could provide a name and a phone number for your attorney, the gentleman in the room with you is my coworker.
Okay. I have to get the information from my mom.
You have to get it from your mom?
Yeah, my mom.
All right.
Your Honor, did he waive?
Next we have.